Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will prepare the tables for set operations. In the last video, we learned about the set operators, union or intersect, as well as except. To experiment these set operations, we will create the sample tables. So here we will create a first sample table called table U1, and if you see here, there are two columns involved. This is first column ID1, second column name1, and their data types are small int and nvarchar. Size is 15 on primary, so this is just a file group stating where it stays, I mean the table data. What is important here is the column names ID1, name1, and it's a data type. I mean the data type is important, not even the column name. Data type, first column small int, second one is nvarchar. This is what we are going to combine using the set operation. We have one more table called table U2 that also contains a similar data type, small int, not similar, same data type, small int, and varchar. The first table also contains varchar. Size is 15. Here also it is 15. Next, we have some sample data inserted on first table. Next, we have some sample data for second table. Just by looking at the data itself, you can see these two data are same here in the second table. 4, name 4. Similarly, ID is 5, name is name 5, and these two records are repeating in both the table. So this table will be useful to perform the set operation or to experiment the set operations. Now let's create these sample tables. Now it's demo time. So to experiment set operations, we will create tables, table U1 and table U2 on CEtube. So let's highlight and execute. Command completed successfully. Now we will refresh it, and you can see two tables here, table U1 and table U2. Both table does not have any data right now. Now we will insert some sample data on both the tables. Now let's highlight these statements and we will click execute. So to check this, you can make a select. So our sample data is ready. You can see both tables exist, and these two are the records which are common between both the tables. 4, 5, name 4, name 5. Alright, our tables are ready for the demo. We will continue from next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.